Hello and welcome to your 10-minute mini ball abs workout. In case you're new here, my name is Deanna. Welcome to my channel, The Realigned Collective. Here we do everything from Pilates, yoga, sound healing, and everything in between. And today, all you will need for your workout is a mini ball. There's a link down below if you need one, and let's get started. We are gonna start with some ab curls. So we are going to put this mini ball behind our middle to upper back here. So it's going to be different for everybody. The lower down on your back you go, the harder it will be. So I'm placing it kind of just below my shoulder blades, and then hands are going to come behind my head. Feet are flat on the floor, knees are bent. And then from here, I'm just going to drape over that ball, and this should feel mostly pretty nice for almost everybody. And let yourself just expand open through those abdominal muscles, the chest, the heart, the shoulders, and just take a breath here. And then when you're ready, you're going to slightly tuck your chin towards your chest, bring yourself up just a little bit, and then from here we're going to get into our ab curls. So you're going to curl it up, squeeze those abs together, pull those abs in nice and deep. Inhale, bring it back, maybe to a little extension, maybe just to neutral, and then curl right back up. So waist is pulling in nice and deep, rib cage is pulling in nice and deep. You're keeping your hips and your pelvis nice and steady. We are going to add on in just a second, marching out those knees. So in 3 more, we're gonna lift the right knee up and then we'll alternate with the left. Last one like this. Now, as you come up, the right knee lifts to tabletop, lower it back down. The left knee lifts to tabletop and down. So you're alternating those feet, lifting one at a time, using that ball to support you, taking your time here, keeping your pelvis steady, drawing your waistline in. Elbows staying wide, lift. Last one each side. And then we're gonna hold it on this side. So pull that right knee up, hold it right here. Now from here, when the head goes back, you're gonna extend the leg out, pull it into the center. Reach away from each other, pull it in. Inhale, reach, exhale, pull in. Drawing those abs in tight, keeping the hips and pelvis steady. We're gonna add a little twist towards that knee in 5, 4, 3 more. We're adding that twist in 2. Last one like this. And then from here, you're going to pull the knee in. You twist, extend. Twist, extend through the center. You've got this. Pull. Squeeze, draw those abs in tight like you are trying to wring out a towel. Just 5 more right here. You can do it. Pull. Elbows stay wide. Think rib towards the opposite hip. Here's 3. 2. Are those abs burning yet? Last one. Bring that foot down, lower back in the center. Woo. Pull it back up through the center, lifting that opposite leg out. Now from here, extending the leg straight, head goes back straight, everything comes to the center first. Pull it in. Extend out, pull it in. Inhaling as we reach, exhale, drawing those abs in tight. We're adding a twist in 5, 4, 3 more, 2 more, adding that twist in, last one to the center. Now rotating towards that knee, twist, oh my gosh, twist. Those upper abs are probably on fire. Mine are. Keep pulling those abs in nice and tight. Pelvis staying steady. 3, 2 more. Last one. And take a stretch over that ball. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. Upper abs are probably toasted. Carefully bring yourself up. Take that ball out, and we are going to come onto our back. Woo. and we're gonna put the ball underneath our lower portion. So we're gonna lift into a bridge and place the ball underneath our tailbone, usually a little lower than you think you need to go. Make sure it's not on the curvy part of your low back, it's more under like your tailbone or lower. And then from here, we are going to lift one leg at a time up to tabletop. Take a second here, find your stability, make sure you feel nice and supported. And then from here, we're gonna extend those legs up straight to the sky. We're starting with our scissors here in our ab series. You're gonna drop your right leg down, lift it up, meet at the top, and then switch. So we're meeting at the top here today, taking our time. Down, lift it back up. Now, if for whatever reason, this ball underneath your tailbone does not feel good, you can always do this flat on the floor. Most of the time I have clients that this is a lot more supportive. It feels nice for their back, but every once in a while, this does not feel good on someone's back. So if that is the case for you, just get rid of the ball. You can do this flat on the mat without the ball. Lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. This, you're gonna get really deep into those low abs. Down, exhale, you lift. Stay strong through the core, stabilize the pelvis on that ball. One more each side. Exhaling to lift, last one. Hold it right here, both legs glued together at the top. You're gonna drop both legs down. Woo, exhale, lift. You might not get that big of a range of motion here, but maintain your stability. That's first and foremost here. Inhale down, big exhale to lift, making sure your belly is not pooching up to the sky. You're pulling everything in. Try and relax your shoulders, relax your neck as much as possible, which is challenging. Try not to hold any tension. 2 more. Last one right here. All right, bend those knees to tabletop. We're going right into our double leg stretch. You reach both legs to 45, pull it right back in. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull it in. Taking your time. Inhale, reach and in. Lengthening out to 45. The lower those legs go, the more challenging it will be. So always go at your own range of motion. 3, 2, one more, you can do it. Hold it here. Now, single leg stretch, you're reaching one leg out nice and long, and switch. We're gonna try and go a little quicker here. If that is too challenging, just go one leg at a time. But we're gonna try and go just a little quicker, which means you need to engage those lower abs even deeper, find those pelvic floor muscles so that you're not wobbling around on that ball. 4, 3 more each side. 2, 1 more each side. And in, ooh. All right, take that ball out. We've got to do our crisscross still. So hold on to the ball with the hands, float the legs up to tabletop. You're gonna twist towards one side, extend the opposite leg out, come up and over, and switch. Drawing your abs in deeper. Rotating, make sure you're not just moving those arms, you're twisting through the torso. 4 more each side. 3 more each side. Twist, wring those abs out. 2, 1, and take a rest. Ooh. All right, that ball is gonna come between those inner thighs here. We are going to get into some planks. So from here, come on over into an all fours position. The ball is still between your inner thighs here. From here, we are going to come down onto our elbows today and then tuck those toes under, And we're gonna lift into our plank. 30 seconds right here. You lift it up and hold it right here. 30 seconds, just breathe it in. Squeezing those inner thighs, feeling those pelvic floor muscles. Deep inhale in. Nice long exhale. Pressing those elbows down into the mat, lifting the chest up away from the floor. You can do it. Just 10 more seconds. Breathe. You can do it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Whew. All right, take that ball out. We're gonna come into a little bit of back extension work. So coming down onto our belly, placing that ball in front of us. You're gonna put it kind of like on the wrists or the forearms a little bit here. And then we are going to roll the ball towards us as we lift into a back extension. This is our last exercise here today. When you lower down, the ball goes forward. You lift and then down. Try and get the shoulders out of your ears. Core is still tight here. Scooping your belly in, protecting that low back. You lift and down. Lift and down. I like to inhale as I lift and then exhale lower, but you can do the opposite breath if that feels right for you. This should feel a nice little stretch in those abs too. Last one right here. And then down. Let that ball, if it rolls away, no problem. Just find a little cobra stretch for those abdominal muscles. Take a big inhale. Find a little child's pose. Arms will reach in front of you. Just take a nice deep breath. Shoulders relaxed. One more breath to finish up here today. And then roll it up when you are ready. Thank you so much for joining me today. Congrats on finishing another workout, and I will see you in the next one.